Why do some products sell like crazy while some others completely flop? It's not because they are better or cheaper, it's because they have an irresistible offer. An irresistible offer always starts with the right audience. And to target this audience, you have to follow these 4 key steps. Number 1. Massive pain. Your audience must have a real, urgent problem that they are desperately trying to solve. If you're selling a water bottle, you could price it $2 in a supermarket, $10 in an airport, and $50 in a hot desert. The more people need your product at the right time, the more likely they are to pay for it. Number 2. Power to buy. If the product you're selling is made for children or young adults, they will probably struggle to pay a high price. This is because they don't have the same purchase power as a 40-year-old with steady income. You want to target people that can buy expensive products, not the cheap ones. Number 3. Ease of targeting. Do you know how to reach the people you want to sell to? Because if your offer is amazing but nobody can see it, it will be very hard to sell. So ask yourself, do I have easy access to these people? It can be through social media, events, or your own circle. But keep in mind that the harder it is to reach your audience, the more time and more money you will need to invest to get results. Number 4. A growing market. You want to create a product that people are starting to want more and more, not less. If the number of people looking for your product is going up, your business will grow. But if fewer people care about it, it will be harder to make sales over time. A great tool to check this is Google Trends. It shows if people are looking more or less for what you're selling. Now a question you might ask is how to price your product. Maybe you think about lowering the price as much as possible to be competitive. But this is not a good idea. First, because customers are not committed when something is too cheap. Think about an amazing book you have on your shelf that you bought for just few dollars. You know it could change your life, but you never read it. This is because when a product is priced too low, the perceived value decreases. A low price also means less profit for you, therefore less money to invest and a worse experience to clients. So your goal will be to price your product as high as you can. And if you want your customers to pay for a high price, you have to give high value. You have to give more perceived value than what they are paying for. And to increase this value, the only thing you have to do is to improve this equation. In other words, you want to create a big dream outcome with a high likelihood of achievement within a short time delay and a low effort. But what would be an irresistible offer without a good guarantee? Tell your clients you will refund them if they don't get the result they expected. Or even better, tell them you will refund them and give them $1,000 more for the time lost. Now, what's the risk for them? Why your customers wouldn't buy your products? If your offer is a no-brainer, then there is no reason for people not to buy. It's that simple.